Buenos dias. My name is Alexa Tutubian, and this is SPG Rhyme production is Look on the Baby. So here is my baby. This is just a picture. You can see what I want to do. So, so good. Okay, so this is a video. As you can see, it's me, a baby. You're a baby. No, Jella. So like a Sophia, a little girl in here. Was very cute. It was very cute. And she debuted there with white, so it's very cute. And first, we waved his little bird here, a doggy, a star, and of course, and next week is you can see this is just like a scrapbook. Another paper, and here it's my ultrasound. Ultrasound. It has also a this function, sorry, this function. I think that's the ultrasound when I was 4 weeks. So I was okay. And first year, ultrasound when I was 1.5 months. 1.5 months. Here at the bottom, it has a ultrasound when I was 7 months, and it has it's a girl. And then on the next page, you can see on the back is my well, official website. Varenya Angelica. So girl, it's a girl. 550 and the sector. I undergo the newborn stage. The newborn and she is my first photograph date, May 2, 2005, and 2 days old. Place medical city nursery. Okay, and here's the medical certificate or certificate of birth. That's an idea of the line. Okay. And next is the 2005 May 1. Here is my birthday. On day 1, my birthday. And of course, here is my product. Of course, all of it. Here is my achievement. Here, first month, I usually sleep most of the time. This is just a stupid. And here is my first cut of fingernails. Here's my cut of fingernails. It's actually now dry. I remember this first cut of fingernails. First July, second March, August, third month. You often see me smile immediately and spot. Then you when I was smiling, okay, here. I was very usually smiling. And of course, at the back is the camera. I didn't to laugh. I'm recognizing my neighbor this month, which is something I recognize. In 6 months, I started to enjoy living in the and first December, 7th month, I started being naughty by banging my thoughts. And 8th month, look at me crawling in my house. February, I can already hold the object. And on each March, 10th month, I'm beginning to be sensitive towards the feelings of others. And 11th month, enjoy playing near other children. And now, 1 year old, I was 1 year old. Oh, look at me. I'm looking. No. I was walking at the garage house in the view. And at first photo with my family, I'm with my papa, so mom and shoe. This is walking July 10, 2000. My Jura is not yet there. 2007 was, I don't know where it's date. I do. Okay, so here is my cute. I can, I can read it. So, and here is yes, favorite part. So, to the Kakasya from Minang Star. And this a gift for you. Yes, July 10, 2005. Teacher Viper, welcome to the Christian world. Minang Lola. Kakasya, congratulations. Welcome to the Christian world. Kuya Jaya. Oh, look at that. And of course, here is my, and that's Jaya, Kakasya, Mom, Minang, Manchu. Oh, I guess then. Okay, and here is my favorite thing is the invitation. Yes. Please join us for July the 50th. That is now 8 July 2025, 10:30 a.m. Maria Reina ng Apostolic Fire. Reception will follow at that Lot 49 East Street, Nagsama Village, Western Bikutan, Cavite. Yun ang Papa Georgia ang nalutusan. RSVP at the of course, my godparents is like my godparents in the Irene Rivera, Samantha Brown, Samantha Brown, Maricel Lampero, Michelle Lampero, Jenny Delica. And my godparents is involved Jeffrey Dalusa, Jeff Harrison, Esquioco, Jemuel de Rosario, Vincent Madamo, Roca Cabrera. So, thank you, and here's the beloved card here. Of course, here's my name. I will do that. And here is my first student and books with two babies Sophia. Welcome to the kitchen with Mama. Ainang Shanet at Fairy Ilha. Two babies Sophia. Welcome to the kitchen with Love Me No Johnny Extra. Thank you, sir. Teacher level there. Wrong start. Happy Christine with a smile in on each. If you like that. Wrong style of the night. It's not a bit up. Wrong. Victory. Like Lindsay, Lindsay, Elvie, Matthew, Campbell. Happy Christmas, yeah. This is keep July 2005. It's my Christmas. This is happy Christmas, yeah. I celebrate this day and Raymond. And this is my oh, maliit na ninang-kaninang pinagdinsos ang dinasal nila sa ninang China. Ang liit ikaataas para kapatid ng bigyan sa Korea. Ilang niche ilang maliit na dinasal at pag-ibig ng mga Sudet, lalaki, mga ulam, ikat, wow, yummy, good. Now it's time. Research. Yeah, and my traveling China, mommy and making to China and and really appreciate the conversation and so what I really what my visitors from school of my mommy into school of Panda. My name is Jen with mommy son. I like it. Pumpkin. I like cheesy. It's a shop. You know, selling. And we have that. Darkness. Thank you. Oh, that was easy to one to I am happy actually the first 30 that I have when do start having and this is here. Yeah, I was okay. 3, 2, 1, look at my number. You look at my two on the your chance. At first Christmas, I spent the first Christmas at my grandma's house with my papa, yeah, mama, and mama, papa, we are there, and Lala. It was really special. It was full of fun and of food. And 5 Christmas, I visited the Lenten baptism now the of my but this is my hobby. I was still every year. Yeah, there is a happy there's a piano because Hero, Jack, and Ethan. Ethan didn't care with life. Jelly Rasayan Batas Dimanja Sophia family to do July family while I love Joseph Yal Nema That's oh, because I'm not. Okay. And see this is a seed. All right, to all my friends. Come to I'm going to be 1 year old and to seven and a bit. This is just very fast. Hope you can come and join me the fun. With me one time 1:30 p.m. 2006. Thomas the First. Smartest, smartest, fortunate, as clever, citizen. You, first good. Mom, I know it's just. Oh, this is yes, project and this is make some up to after the other. We're at a group. Okay, now I'm done. So, see you next FTG Lama Production. Adios. I hope you like my video.